If I ever told you I was God, would you worship me, or people would you not? Would you call me crazy, or maybe not feeling me? What degree would you have to reach to prevent you from killing me? Now I can see stars, I think beyond the level, I'm flying past Mars. I'm chilling with Krishna, Jesus Christ. I'll say the Lord's name in vain, no, I'll say it twice. Christ, now think about reality and what it is worth. Wonder what your kid's worth. There's not a price, there's nothing that we comprehend. There's no gender, woman and man, there's no color. Race was invented by man. Why does it take 500 years just to understand, man? Slavery's present in the credit cards that is killing us, son.
I'm free like a bird, I choose to fly high. No one to ever stop me until I die high. Until I die high, until I die high. Yo, I'm free like a bird.
God unites, the devil divides, the devil adds some checks, and he likes to multiply like a pesticide, killing people with fear to the point they're so deaf they can't hear. Steer them in the right direction of hard work, the only way to get to heaven. The 7 levels of enlightenment, the cosmos vibrating every object. I object to narrow thinking and excessive drinking of holy water. Common sense serves us better than death. Consider the fact religion is holding us back. Spirituality's a new thing. It's not black, it's not white. Yo, it's mystical grade. The Westerners talk shit, the Easterners have nothing to say, cause they meditate, they take the worries away. Ancient medicine, curing people today.
I'm free like a bird, I choose to fly high. No one to ever stop me until I die high. Until I die high, until I die high. Yo, I'm free like a bird.
Yo, conspiracy, we can't prove what we believe. Like a marriage, we all see the adultery. We're not free, not even close, we can't survive. We can't eat the processed food and stay alive. We all need the raw meat, the raw goods. We all discover the truth in our own means. We all laugh, we all cry, we all bleed. We all want in our lives to succeed. Laissez faire, we all drive our own greed. Our own greed drives our economy. Economy is driven by our fake money. We all borrow, we can't pay the interest. It's a lot to see that kind of success that we crave. It's just another game we play. We never thought that I could get so deep. My living dead, wake up from your sleep.
I'm free like a bird, I choose to fly high. No one to ever stop me until I die high. Until I die high, until I die high. Yo, I'm free like a bird. I'm free like a bird, I choose to fly high. No one to ever stop me until I die high. Until I die high, until I die high. Yo, I'm free like a bird. Aeroplane, I'ma take you through my aeroplane. 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 Fly, fly, fly.